Hey everyone, looking to save on furniture and home decor at Wayfair? Here's how you can easily find and use promo codes to make your shopping more affordable. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser, type Wayfair promo codes in the search bar and press enter. Now, you will see several websites with promo codes for Wayfair. These include discounts on furniture, decor, and free shipping offers. Click on one of these sites to explore the latest deals like 10% off your first order and save up to $50 on purchases over $200. Select the promo code that works best for you and copy it to your clipboard. Now head to the Wayfair website, pick your favorite furniture or decor, and paste the promo code during checkout to apply the savings. And that's it. You have successfully saved on your Wayfair order with a promo code.